Duke, how can I be a successful entrepreneur? Well, to get rich and be successful, all you have to do is... So, as said before, all you have to do is what's going to happen in this video. Welcome guys, it's me, Ducato, back with another video. And today, I'm going to show you how to get rich as an entrepreneur. So, first, today I'm going to show you using Fiverr. Fiverr is a website that helps you sell your stuff online for a certain amount of money. So this is my gig. A gig technically is the thing that you're selling. So my gig is design a YouTube item that requires art for you, including thumbnails, profile pictures. Well, I'll leave a link to that in the description. But as you can see here, clicks and orders. Obviously, I have to edit them a bit for the sake of this video, but I'm going to show you what it takes to become successful. I don't have orders yet because I only posted it yesterday. But look, so you can press this. Do I have any other gigs? No. So you can press preview, and this is mine. So you can find the link in my description, and I hope you order. So in this, part one of this video is what to do to be good at it, and it is branding. Branding is very important, and it requires a lot of skill from you and dedication. Branding means
that you are able to share it, that you have good thumbnails with photos for it, things that would make a person want to buy your product. For example, mine is, I will design a YouTube item that requires art for you, by me, and make those own. So these are my plugins for preview. If you can see, these are thumbnails from my current page, which are really nice. So, about this gig, I will make a nice illustrated JPG image explaining the social media style for getting into that later. This gig will make your YouTube channel blow up and gain instant popularity. Not guaranteed, but it might, because thumbnails are a very good effective part of YouTube channel branding. I am sure that you will not be upset by the results.
the results are actually pretty nice, if I say so myself. I'm being quite biased because this is mine, but you understand. So, branding means that you have a good title that shows what you're doing. Then you have some previewable images and videos if you want. Well, images I think by first, but it's nicer to have this. And also you have more stuff and packages to brand. And sharing your gig like I'm doing. I'm telling you, if you want, then go to the description and check it out. I guess clicks even help you out, so if you could just click it, it's good enough for me. Yeah, so moving on to part 2, this continues onto the branding part. The branding part is technically a building block to whatever you need. So, including the branding part,
The button flip. So imagine I see some random gig with no images, and then I see another gig with the same exact things, but with an image. Which would you think that I would buy? I would obviously buy the thumbnail one because I have a preview of what the art looks like.
I don't want somebody paying him and doing something that I don't know how to do, what he's doing. So that's a really important thing in this part, in being a successful entrepreneur. Also, being an entrepreneur is very good because you can make a side hustle which earns you a lot of money. So check this out. I have a basic plan, like a basic thumbnail, like the previewed ones. It has a 1-day delivery and one additional revision, 2 concepts included, and a printable file. And then standard, a good looking profile picture and the basic pack. So all the things on the basic pack. I will make a thumbnail and profile picture for a bit more with many revisions. So it takes 2 days, 1 extra day for the good looking profile picture and the extra revisions. I have 2 concepts included and a printable file so you can print it out, and stationery design. Stationery design basically means I'm not sure. Wait, let me check it out a bit.
Stationery design. So So, station design refers to the process an artist or designer uses to create one-of-a-kind letterhead greeting card. So, yes, station design basically means what we read there. If you didn't read that, go back. And yeah, I really suggest you check do station
design thing for a standard pack or premium pack. And there's only for $5 more. I put €5 in my case, but I can do it less than €5, so that's a pretty disadvantage. So, moving on to premium, for €15.40, you can get a YouTuber pack. I will make all the YouTube items you need: thumbnail, profile picture, YouTube banner. I will include 5 revisions and a 3-day delivery. 4 concepts included: printable files, stationery designs, and the social media kit. Everything you need to get started in social media. So these are the packages. If you want to check these out, this is to make them like 1 day extra or 2 days extra. No, I mean this is to decrease the days to 1 day, and this is to decrease to 2 days. Are they good? Yes, they are amazing. That's a little bias from me, but I really suggest please check this out. So, moving on to the part 3 and the final part of this video is, what will I need to do now? That's your question. What do you need to do this? So, this is what you need to do. Go to dashboard, start a select profile. Go to dashboard, go to gigs, create a new gig, and let me create a test run for you here. I will do a test. I need to do 15 characters. So category, you select the category, then you select the service type, so whatever this is, analytics and training, for example. Please support the primary, this is what you support. Positive keywords. Avoid using repetitive characters. I can do this. Oh, come on. Wait. Test. And then you do the tags. Oh, we have to do this. Cool. Okay, so why is this not working? Cool. Actress, burn fast, I don't care. So, then you select your pricing plans. You name your package, name your package, name your package, name your package. This part is very laggy. Name. Then you select everything like that you want to include. Price, you can only do 5s, 10s, 15 extra, and then you do the extra option plan. Delivery time 90 days, 3 days, and delete this. I'm just speeding up to this because I don't want to do another one. It takes a long time. So then you do a bunch of your description, which as you can see I really don't want to do. And then you press save and continue. A bit more character. And there you have it. That's a good description. And then you add your FAQ, add on the question. And then you press save and continue. And then you add your images, which I'm not going to add. Oh, you need to add an image. So, and then you continue, and all you have left is the publish thing, which you need to verify a phone number for. So, before you are asking how to start a business and be good at it, how do I start a business and be good at it? You are probably really passionate about that. So, and now you saw this video, so now you probably know what you need to do and how you need to do it. Hope you enjoyed this video. It was me, Ducato, back with another video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and try to put that notification bell on so you'll never miss a video like this one. This was Ducato. Hope you guys enjoyed and learned something today. Peace out.